What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing sublimation. I'm going to be doing sublimation onto a mouse pad. I got these mouse pad blanks. Got these on Amazon. I'll leave the links to this stuff. I printed out my sublimation picture for the mouse pad. I did it on my Adobe Illustrator and I put it through to my Epson Workforce 7720, which is I converted this printer with Cosmos ink to a sublimation printer. So I'm getting a little bit more into sublimation. So I'm gonna set up the heat press and then I'm gonna print on this mouse pad, try it out. I'll get right into it. All right, guys, so I'm printing this out on my laptop from Adobe Illustrator. So I just, I never actually show this, but I set everything up in Adobe Illustrator and then I set it up here for the size of paper, sublimation paper. It's 11 by 17. I ganged it up, reversed everything on here, and then I'm printing it right from my Adobe, and then I'm gonna print it on my Epson. Let's see if I have any problems here with it. So now I'm gonna come over to the printer here. It should ask me what paper I want. I already have it loaded with paper. And then you just hit high quality. And this was a converted printer with Cosmos ink. I wanted to get a clip of this because I never really get this stuff in my videos. So the top ones are photos for ornaments, and then the main one that I'm doing usually pauses like that, but this is, I have the ornament prints, and then I have the actual sublimation print. And then I'm gonna set it over here and just let that dry for a little bit. And then I'll get on the press and show you how I printed on that one's for a mouse pad, the big one. Okay, so I'm gonna get this the best I could. I did my research on this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my print, put it down. I got it a little bit bigger. I preheated my mouse pad to get the moisture out of it. I had the heat press at 386 for 49 seconds. So I'm just gonna line this up here. I made the image a little bit bigger, just so that way I get it on the full mouse pad. Make sure I got both these sides on here. The edge I did pretty close, so hopefully this works out. All right, I'm gonna tape that down with my heat tape. All right, I'm gonna wait till this press gets up. I only got a couple more minutes to get this press up to temp. I have my butcher paper that I'm gonna use so I don't get anything on my press. I'm doing medium pressure, like a light to medium, nothing crazy with it. So I'm gonna let this heat press heat up, and then I'm gonna switch the camera over here. Okay, so now my heat press is up to where I need it to be at. I flipped it over to have the rubber side underneath the mouse pad down and the print side up. I'm going to use my butcher paper so I don't get any bleeding on my heat press or any of my flattens. Let me check it. I'm up to where I need to be at. So I have it to light to medium, right in between. I'm going to go a little bit tighter with it. Let it go for 50 seconds. I'll hold this up at the end when I'm done with it. Got 5 seconds left, and then I'm gonna let it cool down. my heat press off here. I'm gonna let that cool down and then I'll show you guys the finished product. All right, let me see if I can get this now. I should have gloves on, but I'm gonna flip it over so I can get the tape back off of it. These cool down pretty fast. There you go. Got a little bit of white on the one side. So now when I do my images, I'm just gonna have to blow my image up more. I'll hold this up for you. All right guys, so that was just a quick video on how to do sublimation onto a mouse pad. Like I said, it was my first time doing it. I'm gonna keep adding more sublimation to the channel because I wanna get into it, even just for me to do on the side for myself and just side things. So that was my first time doing it. I'll leave the links to everything in the description. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna keep coming out with some more of this content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.